The most valuable asset you will ever own is not in a bank account. It is what you understand that others do not. The people who consistently build wealth do it because they understood something earlier than everyone else. Compound interest, index funds, the internet. And today in 2026, there is a new thing to understand before the crowd does. Welcome to the WealthWise AI Agentic AI Deep Dive. 24 episodes covering the most transformative technology of this decade. After this episode, you will be able to do 6 things. Define agentic AI and explain it clearly to anyone. Identify the 4 pillars every AI agent is built on. Understand why 2026 is the deployment window, not next year. Know exactly which of the 4 knowledge levels you are currently at. Map the full 24-episode roadmap to your specific situation. And take 1 concrete action before episode 2 drops next Tuesday. What agentic AI is not. Most people's experience of AI is reactive. You type a question, the AI generates an answer, the interaction ends. ChatGPT, Claude and Gemini used in their basic form are reactive systems. You initiate, the AI responds. It takes no action beyond generating text. It remembers nothing between sessions. It cannot do anything in the world beyond describing and suggesting. Extraordinarily powerful, but reactive. Agentic AI is fundamentally different. Who this series is for? What if the AI could take action without you asking? Monitor a situation, make a decision, execute a task, check the result, adjust its approach, and complete a goal entirely on its own. That is agentic AI. The word agentic comes from agency, the ability to act independently toward a goal. An AI agent is given a goal, the tools to pursue it, and the autonomy to decide how. This is deployable today by individuals and small businesses at remarkable low cost. Goal plus tools autonomy. Before we go further, let me be specific about who this is designed for. Business owners who want to automate operations and reduce manual work. Professionals in any field who want to stay ahead of AI disruption. Developers building agent-powered applications. Finance professionals. Anyone in any industry, any country with any goal. You do not need to code. You do need to be willing to learn. That is the only requirement. Every AI agent is built on 4 pillars. Pillar 1, perception. The agent watches its environment continuously. Emails arriving, prices crossing thresholds, customer messages, sensor readings, spreadsheet changes, always observing. Pillar 2, memory. Short-term, memory holds the current task context. Long-term memory is external storage, databases and documents the agent queries to recall past interactions, preferences, and history from any point in time. 4 pillars. Tools plus planning. Pillar 3, tools. An agent without tools only generates text. With tools, it operates in the real world, sending emails, querying databases, executing trades, booking calendar slots, calling APIs, updating CRM records. N8N has 400 native tool integrations. Pillar 4, planning. Given a goal and tools, the agent reasons through the optimal sequence of actions, executes them, observes results, and adjusts. This is where modern AI models do genuine multi-step reasoning. The agent loop. The agent loop. Observe, think, act. Observe again. A trigger fires. Something changed. The agent reasons, queries memory, formulates a plan. It executes the first action, observes what happened. Loop repeats until the goal is achieved, or it escalates to a human. This separates an agent from simple automation. Automation follows a fixed script and fails on unexpected input. An agent reasons, adapts, and problem solves its way to the goal. The invisible team analogy. Imagine hiring a team, a researcher who never stops, a writer producing perfect copy, an analyst without errors, a coordinator who never forgets, a customer service agent responding within seconds, working 24/7. Never tired, never distracted, never sick, at a fraction of human cost. That team is an agentic AI system. The difference between having it and not is not intelligence. It is knowledge of how to deploy it toward goals that matter. The sales example: a sales team receives 200 inbound inquiries per month. With 3 people, many wait days. With an AI agent, every inquiry is read within seconds, qualified for budget and decision-maker status, responded to personally, a discovery call scheduled, a briefing document prepared, follow-up set, pipeline tracked, all automatically. The salesperson arrives to a pre-qualified pipeline and simply sells. We build this in episode 7. Why 2026 is the inflection point. 3 convergences made 2026 the inflection point. 1. Claude 3.5, GPT-4o, and Gemini 1.5 crossed the reliability threshold for autonomous multi-step execution. 2. N8N hit 400 integrations. Anthropic released MCP as a universal standard. What took months of engineering became a weekend project. 3. Cost collapsed over 95% since 2023, from enterprise only to accessible to any individual or small business. For complex tasks, multi-agent architecture outperforms single agents. Specialized agents, each with its own expertise, memory, and tools, work under an orchestrator. A CEO agent delegates to research, writing, analysis, communication, and QA agents. Each does its part. The orchestrator synthesizes the results. For tasks like daily investment briefings, this is more thorough, faster, and more reliable than any single agent or human team. The 4 levels of knowledge hierarchy. 4 levels of knowledge about any transformative technology. Level 1, awareness. You've heard of it, no competitive advantage. Level 2, understanding. You can explain it and identify applications. After this episode, you'll be here, ahead of most professionals globally. Level 3, implementation. You've built and deployed an agent. Level 4, mastery. Multi-agent systems, domain expertise, compounding advantage. This series is your path from awareness to mastery. Global context: SG, SEA, India. For Singapore and Southeast Asia, smart nation. Infrastructure and regional hub position make it one of the most advantaged agentic AI markets globally. A small business in Indonesia or Vietnam can now deploy the same operational intelligence as a multinational. For India, 1.4 billion people, the world's largest technical talent pool, lowest operational costs, the ROI on agent deployment is extraordinary. For Nigeria and Africa, WhatsApp-based agents, serving the world's youngest, fastest-growing mobile population, represent an unparalleled first-mover opportunity. For the UK and Europe, agentic AI multiplies high-skill knowledge work and automates complex regulatory compliance. For the USA, the choice is increasingly binary: deploy agents or compete against those who do. Common thread: agentic AI redistributes capability to anyone with knowledge and initiative. The complete 24-episode roadmap. Part 1, Foundations. This episode, then episode 2 covering every major agentic AI platform with deep focus on N8N. Then episode 3 on agent cognitive architecture and multi-agent design. Part 2, Financial Industries. Episode 4 on stock and Forex, trading agents. Episode 5 on personal finance and wealth management agents. Episode 6 on insurance, claims, processing, fraud detection, underwriting automation. Part 3, Sales and Commerce. Episode 7 builds the complete commercial sales agent from inquiry to closed deal. Episode 8 covers e-commerce, recommendations, inventory, dynamic pricing. Episode 9 covers real estate, listing monitoring, lead qualification, property management. Part 4, Professional Services. Episode 10, Healthcare. Episode 11, Legal and Compliance. Episode 12, HR and Recruitment. The full hiring pipeline, automated end-to-end. Part 5, Industrial, Supply Chain, Manufacturing and Factory, Automation, Marketing and Creative Industries. Part 6. 6 niche industries with the highest first-mover advantage. Today, education, hospitality, construction, agriculture, energy, and government. 6 underserved markets. Part 7. Multi-agent systems in depth. Building your first income-generating agent, and the Agentic AI economy finale in episode 24. In episode 2, we move from concepts to platforms. I'll compare every major agentic AI platform: Make, LangChain, CrewAI, AutoGen, Relevance AI, and Claude with MCP, honestly on capability, cost, and learning curve. Then a deep dive into N8N, the complete architecture of a working agent. By the end, you will have a specific platform recommendation for your situation. Episode 2, next Tuesday 7 a.m. EST. Now the most important part of this episode. I have curated 24 episodes covering what I believe are the most commercially significant agentic AI applications. But I am one person with one perspective, and this channel serves a global audience with an enormous range of industries, geographies, and goals. There are use cases I have not thought of, problems specific to your country or profession that none of the 24 episodes directly addresses. I want to know what those are. In the comments below, tell me the industry or use case you want covered that is not in the 24-episode roadmap. One sentence, your industry, your problem, your country. Every comment will be read. The most frequent or underserved use cases get added to the series. You do not just watch WealthWise AI, you build it with us. Your comment today becomes someone's life-changing episode next week. Before episode 2, I want you to do one thing. Identify a single task in your work that takes more than 2 hours per week and happens repeatedly. Write down 3 things about it: what triggers it, which tools or systems it touches, and what the ideal outcome looks like. Then drop it in the comments below. I will personally tell you whether an AI agent can handle it. That task is your first agent candidate. We build it together. The most valuable asset you will ever own is not in a bank account. It is what you understand that others do not. You now understand agentic AI better than most of the global workforce. That is one asset no market crash, no inflation, and no disruption can ever take from you. Subscribe to WealthWise AI. Episode 2 drops next Tuesday at 7 a.m. Drop your use case in the comments. Hit like if this gave you clarity. Smart money, smarter future. I will see you in episode 2.